Hello, welcome back to Talks Without a Map, the podcast where conversations wander more than your Wi Fi signal in the hills. And today's topic is one that makes everyone go, at some point. Why do people change? Like seriously, one day your bestie sharing Maggie with you, and next day she'll say, no, Maggie. I'm gluten free, quinoa, eating kuch strange things.
अरे forget friends, even parents change. Earlier it was, बेटा टीवी ऑफ कर दो, आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. Now it's, बेटा टीवी ऑन कर दो, let's binge together. Evolution of Netflix parents, you see.
Zamana badal gaya. And on a serious note, people change for a million reasons. Like experiences, heartbreaks, money, career, health, even self-discovery like I'm experiencing. Sometimes life just hits software update without warning.
Amazingly put, huh? Exactly. See, sometimes people change because of you also. You know that friend who was super chilled until they met you and suddenly they started doing yoga, journaling, buying crystals and whatnot.
Life serious हो जाता है.
हाँ, full एकदम, yeah. Like the buying crystals and all is थोड़ा सा bookish, I would say. But people just change because of you also at times. Like I have seen my friends changing after they met me. वाह, क्या बोला है, क्या बात है. But see, people, jokes apart, people change when they're inspired. Sometimes when they're just plainly exhausted with their own self. Then they think about it. Like how many times they must have said, that's it, new me from tomorrow. But that tomorrow honestly never comes into picture. But yeah, that's how it is when they're inspired, and when truly it is that software update says enough is enough.
Yeah,
that's when it happens. I feel
it happens with me. Like I'm just binge eating. Then my cheat days are too much. Like तब मैं बोलती हूँ अभी बस हो गया. Now from tomorrow I'm going to have just millet bhakri and oats, and वो मेरे साथ भी होता है.
Small changes, but
because your body tells you that बस हो गया अभी.
But this concept of people changing is and has to be a natural one, and a very normal one also. मतलब hardly there are people who don't change, और जो change नहीं होते, I really need to see if that is normal with them.
People change, and that's necessary.
Absolutely, that's what I'm saying. It is necessary. I mean, I feel like even your outer display, whether it is your clothes, whether it is your styling, whether it is your fitness and health, वो भी change होते हुए दिखता है as you change from inside. Because not all the kinds of changes that happen in you have to be very loud and evident. Sometimes they are very quiet, they're very calm, they're very nurturing from inside. Those changes that are happening, उसको मतलब शोर शराबे की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती. वो बस अपने आप में अंदर वो चीज़ें change हो रही होती हैं. And I have definitely seen that, at least in my parents' generation and the generation before that also. More in your generation, that is my parents' generation, where you have adapted to situations and your children growing up and with the current world scenario and everything. तो ये अच्छी बात है, I feel like.
See, we have been brought up in certain beliefs कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, ऐसा rigid. But now over the years that we have realized नहीं, दूसरों के लिए नहीं करना है, अपने लिए करना है.
Absolutely.
And that's where हम बोलते हैं दुनिया गई भाड़ में. I'm sorry for my language, but that's what happens. कि दुनिया गई भाड़ में, अभी अपने लिए जियो, अपने लिए करो.
But this statement that you made right now, दुनिया गई भाड़ में, you would have said that 20 years back? No, because at that time people were not that bold also. Because the situation in the world was different, in the country, in the city, or in the family was very different. But with times changing, your generation doesn't feel like अरे ये मैंने क्या बोल दिया. Our generation will probably say it in a jiffy, without even thinking twice. But it's the same with your generation also, because circumstances have changed, and you have changed yourself as per that. क्योंकि अगर change नहीं करोगे तो बहुत frustration आएगा यार जिंदगी में, if you don't change as per the circumstances.
Now talking about my life, I lost my husband when I was 36. Okay, and I had these 2 children with me. Like one was 12 years old, one was 6 years old. So it was kind of mandatory for me, and thankfully I had a very supporting father-in-law. So it became mandatory for me to draw a line and change myself for my good, for my basically my priority was my kids, and my priority is kids. But I had to change myself.
yourself.
So some people didn't like it, some people took it in a positive way, but life has taught me a lot through that experience. Yeah.
So with me, not so long ago, or kind of long ago, in 2012, my grandmother passed away very suddenly, my mom's mother. And it was so sudden that no one expected that. And my grandfather had Alzheimer's.
Oh.
And we had to shift to that house. So रातों रात कहते हैं ना कि because she passed away so suddenly, the emotional burden is one place, that you have lost your grandmother, and my mom had lost her mother and everything, and or my grandfather was quite conscious at that time, so he had lost his wife. तो वो एक जगह, but the other thing is the practical things that are coming in on your plate, that is taking care of him, taking care of the house. सब चीजें इतनी बदल गई, that changed me and my parents a lot. 2012. And then you start realizing what people are in the family, outside the family, and who truly are your people who come and help you. Blood relations and everything, वो सब कुछ नहीं होता. That's what I realized at that time. But I mean, this is how it is. That is one thing that taught me.
Yeah, life teaches you something.
Yeah, and through that I could understand other people's experiences also, and you can resonate and you can have that compassion for other people. That is what it taught me. कि किसी के साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है कभी भी. So have that compassion, have that kind of understanding towards the other person, कि आप उसको समझ पाओ. I wasn't that kind of a person earlier. This changed me, and it just fostered later, which I'm very grateful for. That helped me to become a better individual and become more protective about my parents and about my house and about my own self. And I believe and I respect precision a lot today. कि ये ऐसा है तो ये ऐसा होना चाहिए, because if it doesn't happen this way, then there can be unforeseen circumstances. For example, being firm at some decision, or other examples also I can give you, that if you just if you procrastinate or if you don't take things seriously, then उससे क्या unforeseen circumstances हो सकते हैं. इसलिए that has helped me to be very precise about things. So that I wasn't early. That's what I'm saying. I was pessimistic. I was very lazy. ये सब. Now I'm not at all that kind of a person. So that changed me. Later, some experiences. Your education changes you. The kind of people you meet. The kind of stories you listen to. Yeah, that's how it is. And also, I feel traveling changes you a lot.
Yes, that even I agree.
Whether you stay there for good, or you've gone there as a tourist, or you've gone there for some temporary work. Even in India, I'm not just saying abroad, but even in India, when you travel to other places, you realize वहाँ की life कैसी है.
Yeah, when you meet so many people, their experiences, they also add value to your life.
100%.
When I stayed in a hostel, it taught me minimalism. Okay, and then I mean, life can be so simple, yet you can enjoy it.
Absolutely.
हम लोग ने ही उसको इतना बड़ा चढ़ा के रखा है. To maintain that, we take a lot of efforts.
Yeah, I know. Because वो preconceived notions you have that this has to होना चाहिए. Yeah. So that is different than the precision that I was talking about. Okay? My precision was more to do with कि ये चीजें जरूरी है. तो ये इसके बारे में you should not procrastinate, or you should not take a back seat on that. There are certain things that have to be done on time. That's what I learned. But what you just mentioned, that ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, वो जो होता है ना, that changes a lot when you start appreciating minimalism, when you start appreciating small things about life. And I feel like I think I said this in our earlier episode, that I please allow me to say, with age, something that age has taught me. Like with every year that I'm turning, I'll be turning 13 Jan now. Every year I have realized to be grateful.
Yes.
पहले
You have to be.
correct, my
I
grandparents
learned it quite later.
yeah my grandparents, my parents used to always say, elders used to say, be grateful for what you have.
Everything, for
And as a kid you are not serious about it. You're not serious and you just have these ambitions ki ye hoga, then only then I'll be happy. Agar ye hoga, then only my life is fulfilled and everything. No, later as you get a little older and older, you realize you're grateful for even the eyes you open every day in the morning.
Of course.
You know, these are small things
Yeah.
that you need to appreciate, and I think that is what changes. What according to you are other reasons why people
Another
change?
thing, what I have learned over the years, that don't take life so seriously कि तुम अपने जो pleasures है ना वो मार डालते हो यार. तो इतना भी उसको seriously नहीं लेना चाहिए life को. And as I always say, like, you know, I believe in the mantra carpe diem and I live by it, like, you know, to whatever extent I can. 100% नहीं होता है, let me be very honest, but I would say 80% I have applied to my own life and I have benefited from it.
Excellent.
So people can call me selfish or whatever, but it has helped me, because if I'm happy, I can keep my people happy.
Excellent.
If I'm not happy, then how am I going to keep my people happy?
And I'm sure this change you felt from inside.
Of
It's not a superficial thing that you just want to show to the world. You know, there are times like the episode we recorded the other day about the illusion of liking things. There are times where you feel, oh, aisa hoga, then it'll be fancy. Aisa hoga, then something will change. Whereas the true change comes from within, like they always say. True change is always from within.
Yes.
It's so fixated when that change is very organic. You don't feel like changing again to where you were earlier.
Yeah.
You know.
True.
And it's excellent. I mean, it's also a way of relief for you, because in the process of learning new experiences, we can encounter stress, we can encounter emotional turbulence at times. But once we change for good, utna stress, you know, you get rid of that much of stress, and of course it builds up your maturity. So you know how to handle emotions and stress later, which is an excellent thing about the change that people face.
While I was bringing up my kids, you know, when I lost my husband, after that 5 years later I lost my father-in-law. So I was like the eldest in the family,
the pillar, basically.
The pillar. So there was so much pressure on me. Then I felt that whatever I'm doing for my kids.
Correct.
Okay, my kids taught me that do things for yourself too.
True.
Okay, and that changed a lot of things, and now I'm happy that I listened to my kids.
Yes.
And
because
I'm
your kids,
happy from
but do you
within now.
realize your kids had also changed at that time?
Yes.
Maybe they weren't the same before all these things happened.
Yes.
So that was a major life incident that happened in your family.
And this was like, you know, like you were talking about your grandmother. This also happened like, आज सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, and within an hour everything changed.
Just changed. Everything changed.
Yeah. So that taught me so much. Then that taught me कि लाइफ को इतना भी सीरियसली मत लो और इतना भी मत सोचो कि वो सोचते सोचते लाइफ निकल जाएगी. You know?
Very true.
So that's the biggest thing that I've learned from my life.
Yeah. I think changes also, like these kind of changes also make you much more calmer at times. Do you ever realize that, oh, earlier I used to make a fuss about this and be so anxious about it?
Very
but
much.
With every change you also become much more calmer and you become more intelligent about how to manage and handle things.
Yeah, maybe to reach that stage, we encounter a lot of anxiety, lot of stress, and all. But once you pass that phase, yes, what you are saying is right.
Yeah. I mean, I keep experiencing it every, whether it is my fitness journey, my diet journey, my education, my career, everything. In everything I've faced these kind of things. But eventually, if your intentions are clear and you've set your goals and you're willing to learn new things every day and change yourself, you're willing to change yourself in the first place, वो भी जरूरी है ना. वरना कुछ rigid लोग होते हैं ना कि नहीं हम तो ऐसे ही हैं, I'm not going to change. Like I've heard this people say this, that I will never change. So you should be able to change yourself also. You should be acceptable. I mean, you should accept the fact that मैं change हो सकता हूँ या हो सकती हूँ. तो अगर वो है then definitely दिल्ली दूर नहीं है. You can meet your expectations and your goals and ambitions. तो और उसके लिए you have to work obviously to get there. But the biggest change you can bring to yourself is your पर्सपेक्टिव कि मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं चेंज कर सकता हूँ अपने आप को, वो भी काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है. बट आई फील देयर आर अदर लाइक टू लिस्ट डाउन सम अदर रीजंस व्हाई पीपल चेंज. वन कुड बी बायोलॉजिकल रीजंस, वेदर इट इज मेनोपॉज और एंड्रोपॉज, चाइल्ड बर्थ, you know, I mean global situations like COVID-19.
Yeah, that was a major.
Yeah. उसके बाद तो I've seen people actually becoming crazy because people lost their jobs, people lost so many
Their
things,
near
and dear ones, not to mention they lost so many things, and they actually became crazy after I mean it's very unfortunate that there was no one to take care of them. तो ऐसी भी situations आती हैं that really change you. One day you're this and the other day you're nothing. Absolutely.
Yeah. So now you must have seen that, you know, some of your friends, their priorities have changed. So their behavior towards you also changed. So you have to take it in the right manner.
Correct.
Because maybe you feel कि अरे वो मेरे से इससे से बात करता था, अभी तो he doesn't have time, he doesn't have energy levels भी change
होती है. Yeah.
So one has to respect that.
Yeah.
Instead of criticizing कि अरे वो ऐसा ही पहले ऐसा था
अभी ऐसा है. हाँ.
So I guess you have to respect that, and you should allow people to be in their own space.
Yeah. Maybe they're healing, maybe they are in a different zone. I mean, I'm sure you also must have encountered this experience wherein you were friends with someone but you're not anymore.
Yeah.
Nothing has happened between you both. It's not that there is something wrong, but the energy levels have changed.
Yes.
You both have changed as people.
As individuals, we have changed, and probably that now doesn't match.
Correct.
Change.
Yeah. So you have good intentions for each other, but it's just that now वो बात नहीं है जो पहले थी, because वो पहले की बात ही अब नहीं है. You know what I'm saying?
And अभी ऐसे भी होने लगा कि like, you know, whenever I feel that my energy is not matching with the other person's, not necessarily our energies are bad, but maybe नहीं होती है match. Then I keep myself little away from that person, and I never wish anything bad for anyone.
You should never do that.
तो वो तो है. But I keep that space, I mean the distance, you know, because my energy is not matching.
True.
Another thing which has helped me tremendously is law of attraction. My cousin who introduced me to law of attraction, and after that my life changed. I started listening to a lot of YouTube videos, how our limiting beliefs change our lives, and how we should have abundance mindset and a lot of things, and it really changed my life for good. I look at things in a very positive way. One more very good thing I learned from that whatever happens, positive, negative, it happens for your best. And when I started believing that, and when I look back, then I realized, because ये हुआ मैं ऐसे हो गई, because ये हुआ इसके लिए मेरे लाइफ में ऐसे ऐसे चेंजेस आते गए. And when I started taking it positively, good things started happening with me.
Truly said. For me, that was meditation. It was my spiritual journey. It was COVID had just begun, and a friend of ours is a volunteer at Shri Ravi Shankar Ji's Art of Living, and he asked us to attend an online session. We attended, we loved it, and we took the small happiness course. It's coined as happiness course. It's a 4-day course.
Okay.
You won't believe those 4 days changed my thinking, and they motivated us to meditate for like continuously for 49 days. And I did it for each and every day, and that changed me as a person. It changed my perspectives. It changed my outlook towards my own self and other people around me, towards the world, towards materialistic things, and towards spiritual things. And I till date, I keep telling people to attend or engage yourself into spiritual activities
Yes.
and meditation, because that is a drug that everybody should taste at least once, because it changes you as a person.
As you rightly said, meditation is your drug.
Yeah.
And I believe in that. Even I meditate. Maybe my meditation style and your meditation style differ, but the meditation part is necessary. See, there was a time when I was a firm believer of God. After my husband passed away, I lost faith in God. Okay, but it took me 3-4 years to regain that faith in God, and means itna. Hate is a very strong word, but I was to that
Extent you've gone, huh?
I was like, I don't believe that God exists and all.
Yeah.
But now it is again, I'm coming with, and thanks to meditation.
Yeah, because God is everywhere, and God is in everything that you believe in. If ये हो सकता है तो हो सकता है, because God is there with you.
And another thing is, I would believe कि temple जाना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. Now I believe in कि you can pray from anywhere.
True.
Irrespective of place, time, I feel your prayers can be answered from anywhere as long as your intentions are good and when you pray from your heart.
Very true. So, dear listeners, tell us, when was the last time you changed yourself, or at least you thought that you are changing? Maybe you got inspired, or you thought of inspiring someone. Also, let us know if you feel that you're slowly becoming into your parents, because that's also a major change that people encounter, that आजकल हम अपने parents जैसे होने लग गए हैं. Don't worry, that's also a positive sign that you're changing. Change is inevitable, but growth is optional. So, are you resisting your own upgrade?
Thank you for listening to Talks Without a Map. And there's one small question to ponder on. Are you liking the change you're experiencing now?